Jay Brown, CEO of Vekter LLC. We operate out of metropolitan Atlanta, down in Clayton County, in a city called Ellenwood, Georgia. And what we do is we bring drone training and drone technology to the masses. So how do we do that? We do that in 3 different ways. The first way is we do it by teaching adults how to be expert drone pilots so they can go out and start making money. We also do that through the education system. So we do summer camps, we've been in several school systems, and we do after school programs, really honing in the youth and exposing opportunities to them, especially Black and brown youth in low income areas, because quite often they are not provided the opportunity to work with new and emerging technology. And the third way is we want to work with the federal government, Department of Defense, through innovation grants. So I have a small business innovation research grant with the Air Force to teach Air Force and military personnel how to use racing drones in garrison and on the battlefield. Fly into areas where there's a fire and utilize that drone to kind of survey the area, help pilots and people on the ground. This is a way for us to really utilize my skill set and the skill set of my team to expand drones and its uses, not only in the military, but outside the military, to help cities and police departments and fire departments, schools. And we're starting with the federal government and the military, and then we'll be expanding out beyond that. What I love about working with underdeveloped and under-resourced communities is you know that there's genius in that community. There's genius there. And what happens is that genius is left asleep because no one comes there to wake it up, to get it out the bed, to dress it, to exercise it, to allow it to grow. And that's what Vekter does, is we go into communities where genius is often left at the doorstep, and we open the door. We clean off the doormat, we invite them in, and we allow them to grow and flourish. We feed it. And that's what I love about the work that we do. Play cards for the first 2 people that can fly the drone up 40 feet, fly it out 150 feet, and land it on a little small box or a little gray box over there at the skate park. My name is Jay Brown. We're Vekter, and we want you to come fly with us.